Here is a pair of the JBL Tune 770 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Smart TV via Bluetooth. This is the Hisense TV that has Android TV. So the first thing is, let's put the headphones into pairing mode, okay? So if you look at this one side here, we have a power button. Well, what we want is to put this in pairing mode where this light here is going to be blinking blue, 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 okay? So let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold that power button. Okay, now it's off. Now let me turn it on and see if it goes into pairing mode right away where I get a blue blinking light. Okay, so power button here, press and hold, wait till it turns on. Power on. I'm waiting for a blue light.
Connected.
Oh wait, it said connected. What I want is a blue blinking light. I don't have a blue blinking light here, and it said connected. The reason why I said connected, because it must be connected to a different device around me somewhere. It's actually connected to my iPhone here. Okay. So in order for me to put this into pairing mode, I can do two things. I can go to my iPhone where it was paired. I can go to the paired Bluetooth list, and I can forget the device or unpair it, basically remove it from the pairing Bluetooth list. And as soon as I do that on my iPhone, then this here is going to blink blue, 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 indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? Now another way you can do it is to put this in pairing mode if it's connected to a different device. While it's on, double tap the power button. 1, 2.
Pairing.
It said pairing. Now we get a blue blinking light indicating it's in pairing mode. So let's hurry up and jump over to the TV, and you want to go to settings. If you have this remote here, you can go to the settings. If not, you can go to the home page, click the home button and navigate to the settings icon. Top right hand side, settings right there. Okay on the remotes. From here you go all the way down to remotes and accessories right there. Okay that. And now we're going to add accessory. Okay, you can see all the devices I had previously paired, but we're going to add the new JBLs. So we're going to add accessory, select that. Now I see that line moving is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Now these are still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue, and you just want to wait till it finds it, but it found it right away. The JBL Tune 770 NC. Make sure it's highlighted. Okay on the remote. It says pairing. And we should get a pairing request on this as well. Pairing request, make sure pair is highlighted. Okay on the remote. Connecting, paired. It said connected here as well. And we are now connected, ready to go. And you can see the volume rockers working as well. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.